Hundreds of migrants, some bused to New York City by Texas Governor Abbott, are having the American dream handed to them literally in a gift basket.
Yeah, it's amazing the kinds of things that they're getting. That includes outside a local hospital in the Bronx to get health insurance coverage. They get food, school supplies, free phones. Our national correspondent Mike Carter has the story. Mike.
That's right, guys. Land of the free. That's what the New York Post is calling New York City these days. And New York City Mayor Eric Adams really unleashing a cornucopia of free stuff for those migrants, many of whom come into the Port Authority bus terminal behind me, as we know, courtesy of the Texas governor, Greg Abbott, who's been busing up migrants now for some time. So let's take a look at what Bob just mentioned. Some of this free stuff these migrants are getting. Not a bad deal if you've crossed the border illegally these days. Hotel rooms in midtown Manhattan, healthcare services, library cards, school supplies, and even, yes, cell phones being offered to illegal immigrants these days. Hundreds of migrants, at least some of them, bused to the Big Apple by Texas Governor Greg Abbott, lined up outside Lincoln Hospital in the Bronx on Sunday to get health care coverage, food and other items, including school supplies and free cell phones. We told you, of course, last week about those free hotel rooms migrants will soon be receiving at the Row Hotel in Times Square's Theater District. Many of those rooms going for $400 to $500 per night for paying customers, but those rooms will soon be free to migrants, courtesy of Mayor Eric Adams and, of course, New York City's taxpayers. About 6,000 new hotel rooms in total are being prepared for migrants as early as next month. Eric Adams estimates that in the last few weeks, Texas has bused more than 4,000 border crossers to New York City as part of a plan by Governor Abbott to alleviate some of those waves of illegal immigration that they've been seeing in Texas. While Eric Adams says the Texas governor is using innocent people as political pawns to manufacture a crisis here in New York. But Adams also says he takes issue with the federal government and that the federal government really needs to step up to assist with aid as well. And according to new analysis, guys, from the Federal American Immigration Reform, taxpayers in the U.S. pay about $143 billion every year to supplement the incomes of those migrants, upwards of 22 million of them now in the U.S. illegally.
Amazing.
Bob, Katrina?
Michael, thank you.